going to show you how we're gonna, this is a digital servo from Emacs, and how we're gonna install that onto the wing bay panel, and then control home. For this we're going to use a servo tester from RMRC, ready-made RC. I like it a lot because it's quite easy to use. I'm just going to give the power. I'm not going to put it. I'm controlling it through a UBEC, 3 amps UBEC. It goes all the way to 6S. So I'm going to connect my power. That's how you tune that.